The exponent tutorial. Today we are going to discuss the important Bayes theorem in the probability. This theorem is also called the Bayes laws or the Bayes rule. The theorem is named after a famous mathematician Thomas Bayes. Let us now understand how to use the Bayes theorem to solve the problems of the probability. Suppose you make the sample space and that sample space you divided into some parts, some events E1, E2, E3, E4 and E5. Now let us suppose that A is any event which is already occurred and you want to find out that this event A has occurred out of from this any event. Let us take the examples of you have the two bags, bag 1 and bag 2, and in bag 1 and bag 2 you have some white ball and some red ball. Let us suppose that you have the two white ball in bag 1 and three red ball in bag 1, and in bag 2 you have three white ball and five red ball. Now you have the equal number of chances to selecting these two bags. So either let us suppose that E1 is the probability that you select the first bag, they have the equal number of chances, so that the probability is 1 by 2. Similarly, you have the chances to selecting the second bag is also 1 by 2. Now let us suppose that A is the event that a red ball is drawn. Now if you select the first bag, then what is the probability of getting a red ball? So there are three red balls, so the probability of getting a red ball is 3 by 5. Similarly, if you select the second bag, then the probability of getting a red ball is 5 by 8. Now you have to find out that the red ball is already occurred and you want to find out that this red ball you selected from the bag 2, so that is E2. So the formula according to the Bayes theorem is P E2 multiplied by P A by E2 upon P E1 P A upon E1 plus P E2 multiplied by P A upon E2. So you have the value P E2, that is 1 by 2 probability. P A by E2 mean event E2 is occurred. If you select the event E2, the probability of getting a red ball is 5 by 8. And same way E1, probability of E1 1 by 2, PA by E1 that is 3 by 5, and PA by E2 is 1 by 2, and PA upon E2 is 5 by 8. If you get the value, then you will obtain the answer. Same way, instead of the two events, you have the three or more than three events. So there are, then you can say PE1, PE2, PE3. And if they said that find out the probability that getting from the third bag, then there is E3, numerator becomes E3, PA by E3, and one more term is added in the denominator. Try to solve the problems and please contact us further.